It's a new 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 2500 HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, auto dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, air conditioning, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy duty, you'll likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy duty truck. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.